you have been given a task to split 26 members, right? These 26 members into two groups, like team A and team B. Not only that, each member have to be random. Since the member have to be random, what we are going to use? We are going to use random function. And how to do that? Equal to rand open and close bracket. So that means this will create a random number between 0 to 1, and just drag this up. So the formula has been applied. So now still the names are like this. So now we are going to filter it, Ctrl+shift+L, and let's say we are going to filter by large to small. So this has created this one. That means we can log. Now the first requirement is met. That means names are being split in random, right? Once it is done, you can give copy and paste this as a value. So this is one step is done. Now all we have to do is we have to divide into two teams. Now one problem what we might have is that so we have to split the team into two equal. So for that we are going to use that median function. So median a comma a, right? That means the entire row, entire column we are going to have a median value. So that means 492. So we can write that function here, right? Equal to rand equal to if logical value, this is the one, less than, let's say we had a value of 0.49, right? So 0.492, if that value meets, we can group them into team A, otherwise they are team B, right? Again, double code I will give, team B. Yeah, done. So you can see here, since the value is greater than 0.94, so they belong to team B, right? X belongs to team B. Drag it up. So now it is done, right? All the team members, all the values have been split into this. Now, one more time, we can check whether the names have been, team has been split into half. Let's say team B, just select this auto filter and just count the value. So it is 13. Fantastic. Similarly, you can just check for team A. Of course, team A also 13 members. So this is fantastic. So this is how we can easily check it. So I hope you find it useful. Please stay tuned for much more tips and information on Excel. Thank you so much.